Hey everyone, welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone. Hope you're doing great today.
Today feels like a busy day, right?
Yes, especially if you work in an office. Emails, meetings, calls. Ugh.
Exactly. And that's what we're talking about today, at the office.
Ooh, I like this topic. Because honestly, Harry, many learners feel nervous speaking English at work.
That's true. Maybe you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank.
Oh my God, yes. That happens to me sometimes, even now.
Same here. It's normal, don't worry. Today, we'll practice simple English conversations you can use every day in the office.
And we'll keep it easy, slow, and natural.
Exactly. So relax, listen, and if you can, speak along with us.
Yes, don't just listen, try to speak, even if it feels funny.
That's how you learn. Okay, Alex, let's start with a simple situation. You arrive at the office in the morning.
Okay. I walk in, maybe a little sleepy.
Same. So what do you say?
Good morning?
Perfect. Simple and polite.
And if I know the person?
Then you can say, "Good morning, Sarah," or "Hey, good morning."
Oh, that sounds friendly.
Yes, and if it's later in the day?
Good afternoon?
Exactly. Or just hi or hello. Keep it simple. Now imagine this. Your coworker asks you, "How are you?"
I always say, I'm fine.
That's okay, but let's make it more natural.
Oh?
You can say, "I'm good," "I'm doing well," or even, "I'm a bit tired today."
Oh, that sounds more real.
Yes, real English is not always perfect English. It's natural English.
I like that.
Okay, now let's try a mini conversation. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Harry. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. A bit busy today. How about you?
Same here. Lots of work.
See? Very simple.
Yes, and very real.
Now let's talk about asking for help. This is very important in the office.
Oh, yes. Sometimes I feel shy to ask.
That's normal, but you can use simple sentences like, "Can you help me?"
That's easy.
Or, "Can you explain this to me?"
Oh, I like that one.
And if you want to be polite, you can say, "Could you please help me?"
That sounds very professional.
Let's practice. Imagine you don't understand something. What would you say?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Perfect. Or, "Can you say that again?"
Oh, that's useful.
Yes, very useful. Now think about this situation. You are in a meeting.
Oh no, meetings scare me.
Don't worry. Let's make it easy.
Okay.
If you want to give your idea, you can say, "I think."
Oh, simple.
Yes. For example, "I think this is a good idea."
Or, I think we should try this.
Exactly. Now your turn. Everyone listening, repeat after me. I think this is a good idea.
Say it again, slowly.
I think this is a good idea.
Good job.
Now let's talk about phone calls.
Oh, that's difficult. I get nervous on calls.
You're not alone. Many people feel the same.
What can we say?
Start with, "Hello, this is Alex speaking."
Oh, that's very clear.
Yes, or, "Hello, Alex here."
Nice and simple.
If you didn't hear something, say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
That's super helpful.
Or, "The line is not clear."
Oh, wow. I didn't know that.
Now let's talk about small talk.
Oh, like casual conversation.
Yes, like talking near the coffee machine.
I like that place.
Me too. You can say, "How's your day going?"
Or, are you busy today?
Perfect. Now, a quick question for you listening. What would you say if your coworker looks tired?
Maybe, are you okay?
Yes, or "You look tired today."
That sounds caring.
Remember, English is not just language, it's connection.
Aw, that's nice.
When you speak, you connect with people.
That makes it less scary.
Now let's talk about confidence.
That's the biggest problem.
Yes, many learners think, my English is not perfect.
I feel that too sometimes.
But listen, you don't need perfect English. You need clear English.
Oh, that's powerful.
Even simple sentences are enough. Let me tell you a small story.
Ooh, I like stories.
I had a friend. His English was very basic, but he spoke every day.
Really?
Yes, he made mistakes, but he kept talking.
And what happened?
After a few months, his English improved a lot.
Wow.
Because he practiced, not perfectly, but consistently. So remember, don't be silent, speak.
Even small sentences.
Exactly. Okay, let's do vocabulary now.
Yay!
Word 1, deadline. The time to finish work. Example, I have a deadline today.
Word 2, meeting. A work discussion. Example, I have a meeting at 3 p.m.
Word 3, task. A piece of work. Example, I have many tasks today.
Word 4, email. Example, I will send you an email.
Word 5, boss. Your manager. Example, my boss is very kind.
Word 6, colleague. Coworker. Example, she is my colleague.
Word 7, schedule. Example, my schedule is busy.
Word 8, break. Example, let's take a break.
Word 9, project. Example, we are working on a project.
Word 10, report. Example, I need to finish this report.
Try to repeat these words.
Yes, repetition helps a lot.
Okay, Alex, how do you feel now?
Honestly, more confident.
That's great.
Because everything is simple and real.
Exactly. That's the goal. So, everyone listening, tomorrow at work, try one sentence.
Just one.
Maybe good morning or can you help me?
Small steps.
Small steps lead to big change. If you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to like
subscribe to 24/7 Talk English.
and leave a comment.
Tell us what sentence will you use at the office.
We love reading your comments.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
See you in the next episode.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.